The voice command system is significantly enhanced and has a natural language understanding. To use voice command, press and release this button on the steering wheel and speak your command in simple, natural language.
Find me the nearest Starbucks.
Starbucks 520 Chestnut Ridge Road, Woodcliff Lake. Say yes or select another entry from the list.
For navigation, say, take me to, I want to go to, take me home. To recall a satellite radio station, you can speak the station by name, such as 80s on 8. To make a call using your Bluetooth connected phone, say, call John Smith, or dial number, or call 555-1212. This enhanced system can listen for your commands even while it's speaking. There's no need to wait for the system to finish speaking before saying your command.